In today's video, we're going to go over how to earn an additional $300 to $500 per day working from home on a budget. It doesn't matter if you have very little funds. This is something that you can start earning with on a consistent basis. So I'm going to talk about what this opportunity is about, how much I've made with this opportunity, and how you can get started if it's something that you're interested in. If you have been struggling online, or you're looking for a way to bring in additional income, I'm going to share with you some easy strategies that you can use, especially if you don't really know where to start, or again, if you have really little funds. So please stay to the end of this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So right here, what I'm showing you is just some payments that I received through my Stripe account for people who have joined my business opportunity. And what we want to do is we want to have payments coming in every day, or at least every couple of days consistently, from the efforts that we put out for our opportunity. If you have an opportunity that's duplicatable or easy to start, you will have people that will join you, and they will do this easily, because right now we are in times where people want to have an additional income. A lot of people are looking to leave their part-time or full-time jobs. And this is just something great that you can actually join. So here I had a payment that came in for $500 today. I didn't have anything come in through this account yesterday, but on the 25th, I had two payments. And then we have here on the 24th, I had a total of 2 payments. And then I also had some payments that came in through Cash App as well. And this allows me to have a full-time income. So what I'm going to show you is an opportunity. It's called Cash Building System Unlimited. And this is a postcard program. So this is mainly something that you can do offline if you want to, and you can do this from the comfort of your home. Not only that, it's a one-time fee to join, and it's extremely affordable. So you don't have to pay a ton of money to get started, but this is going to allow you to get your materials, which you're going to receive by mail in 7 to 10 business days. And it's going to allow you to start a work from home business. So the information for this is right below the video. With a one-time investment from you can earn unlimited $25 payments all the way to $3,500 payments. And it's very inexpensive. There's no experience needed, no cold calling, no email or spamming, no selling to strangers. You don't have to explain how the program works. There's no auto ships, so you don't have to worry about paying for something to come in every month. If you have no computer or internet access, that's fine. You can do this completely offline, and there's no confusing systems. So this is a postcard opportunity, and they have 2 different levels, phases you can get started at. Phase 1 is just a one-time $50 payment. Phase 2 allows you to start at $100, and it goes all the way up to $5,000. Now, it doesn't matter where you come in at. The only thing that's important is actually getting started and getting your postcards out as soon as possible. Now, one of the things I want to go over is, even if you cannot mail your postcards, let's just say you have to take some time off, maybe you don't have the money to get stamps. I'm going to show you guys some other options in other ways that you can actually promote this opportunity without having to worry about breaking the bank. So for $50, you're going to get 200 postcards along with 200 leads. When you upgrade, you're going to get another 200 postcards and 200 leads. Every time you upgrade to one of the higher levels, they're going to send you an additional package by mail. Okay, you can join just by putting this postcard in the mail. You can actually click down here to join now, and this is going to let you join by paying debit or credit. This will be a little bit faster because the payments are received electronically. If you put it in the mail, you have to just give it more time for the company to receive the payment, and then they will be sending out to you the things that you need. Okay, so these are the different levels that are the most popular levels. We do have a $300 level. If you join at the 300, it's going to bump you up to the $500 level. If you join at the $100 level, it's going to bump you to the 300, and you're going to be able to get 200 additional postcards and mailing leads and be able to receive payments at that level. So no matter what level you come in at, let's just say you're at the $500 level, you get payments on all of these levels, everything that's below it. Okay, you cannot skip phase 1, which is a one-time payment of $50, and you can upgrade when you choose to. It's not required that you upgrade. Okay, we do have these customized websites that you can get. It's going to have your picture, your information here, so people can contact you directly. And then we have some fast action bonuses that's going to help you to get your business going. Now, if you want to see what's included in the bonuses, right below this link is the description, and that's going to give you the information for the bonuses that we have available when you decide to become a member of Cash Building System Unlimited. Okay. So the first thing that I wanted to do is talk about flyers. Okay. And flyers are very important when you are doing a postcard program, because you're not going to always want to mail postcards, and you should always have something else working for you that is cost effective when you are not doing postcards. So I just go into banners, right? Actually, let's go into flyers. Creative flyer designs, right here on Fiverr.com. This is a place where you can have a ton of stuff done for your business. I use this quite a bit, and you can find really creative people that will design flyers for you at a really reasonable price. So here you have it. He will design a flyer within 24 hours, over 1,000 reviews, a 4.9 star, which is really good. And it's only $10 to create the flyer. Now, when they create the flyer for you, I would request that they do it where you can have peel off tabs at the bottom. So the bottom could be where you could cut them and people can just take a tab if they want more information. And on those peel tabs, I would just put the information for my website. So you could go to GoDaddy.com and grab a website. Once you purchase your website through us, you can then go to Fiverr and give them your domain name and have them include that on your flyer. So here is where you would go to have the flyer created. And then once you have your flyer created, you can go to your local mom and pop shop and just get some black and white copies made. If it's not too expensive, you can also get them in color. And I always tell people, go to mom and pop shops near your house, because you're not going to have to pay for shipping and handling. And not only that, you'll be able to get it at an affordable rate. Now, if you want, you can compare prices, maybe 3 people in your area, maybe 1 place online, and just go with whoever has the best deal. Okay. I would definitely start out with about 1,000 flyers, which is not going to cost you a whole lot of money. And then you can distribute these flyers throughout your city or your town. Now, let's just talk about where we can go to distribute flyers. These are some of the best places, and this is what I do and what I have done in my business in the past that has allowed me to take my business to the next level. Because if you are just waiting for postcards and you're waiting to mail postcards, you're wasting a lot of time, and there's other things you can be doing to help you bring in bigger results within your business. So they have door-to-door flyer distribution. You can place flyers on cars. You can hang flyers on some streets, like where there's nightclubs and stuff. They have direct mail flyer marketing, which you can also do. Insert flyers in retail customer bags. They have it where you can put it in a newspaper. You can hand them out at events, festivals, trade shows, any type of events in your area. Insert flyers and packages you send to retail customers. This is if you're doing like another business. And then they have pocket folders. So this you probably won't do a lot of, but some of the other places you can actually do. So you can hang these in bulletin boards inside of stores is really popular. Utility poles, if you want to do some laminated boards, you can put these up on utility poles. Community centers, senior centers, laundry mats, elevators, receptionist checkout areas, where there's a lot of people coming in and out of certain buildings, like law firms or urgent care facilities, pediatrician offices, places like that. You can put them at bus stops. This is what I do. I go down to any of the bus stops where there's a lot of traffic and put them there. Subways and train stations. You can also become a member of your Chamber of Commerce and post your information there. This is something that's really big as well. And then they have convention and visitor bureaus, vending machines, and in public restrooms. So these are some of the places that you can go. You also have organizations and businesses like coffee shops, daycares, banks, doctors' offices, restaurants, gas stations, schools, churches, convenience stores, any type of factories, hardware stores, libraries, gyms, pharmacies, retail shops. And, this is just some of the places that you can actually put your information if you want to do mainly offline. Okay, so this site is just going to give you PS Print by Deluxe. It'll give you some information of the ultimate list of places to distribute flyers. All you have to do is go to flyers, first marketing products, flyers, then the ultimate list of places to distribute flyers. And this is going to give you information so that you know where to go to post your flyers. But not only that, if you take a couple of hours out of your day, 2 to 3 times a week, you will start to build more momentum in your business, and this will just start to explode. I tell people every week you want to pick certain places to go to and just rotate those places out every single week. It does make it much faster and easier if you decide to do this with someone else. Okay, so for our fast action bonuses, we have trainings that we're going to be having coming up, but we also have training replays. So they have been recorded. If you missed the trainings that we've had, we give you information on where to get discounted postage. So if you want to get postage in bulk, we have a place to go to get it discounted. You also have access to our exclusive Facebook group, and this is for paid members only. So if you're interested in getting more information, you're interested in seeing how other people are doing, you can always join our public Facebook group, where it's the proof. And then we have the private Facebook group where we just give you more information on what to expect, but not only that, things that you need to know when you're starting your postcard mailings. We have one-on-one coaching, resources for your success, and then we have the high intensive Eagles Club, and this is for people who come in at the $1,000 level or higher. This is going to just allow you to speed up your results. So if you're looking to really get this going, you want to take things to the next level, you want to use online and offline marketing combined, this is where you want to be. Okay, so this is basically the information. When you are doing your postcard mailing, I don't care what program it is, you always want to incorporate a second way to promote your business other than just postcards. Again, this is going to help you to increase your results, but not only that, build the momentum and leverage the opportunity. Another thing with this opportunity, if you come in at the $50 level, remember you can only get $25 payments from each person that comes into the business. If you want to make more, that's where you'll come into phase 2, where it'll actually allow you to leverage not just your results, but other people's results, and you'll be able to position yourself to make more money. If you want more information or want to reach out to me, in the description below is my information. I'm here to help you, and I'm looking forward to having some people join this opportunity, change their financial situation. Not only that, time freedom, being able to do the things that you want to do from the comfort of your home, so you can spend more time with your family and do the things that you love. So I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and stay blessed.